me share with you my actual driving experience after replacing the custom steering wheel. Compared with the original factory steering wheel, it will have more precise directionality. Because the sponge of the plate is relatively tight, the overall feeling when you hold it is hard, and the texture is... There are not so many empty spaces between the fingers. You must try this kind of steering wheel, and you will know the advantages. If you have any thoughts, you can discuss them in the comment area. See you next time.